So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Etsy. So the first thing you want to do is open up Shopify, your admin panel, which will look something like this. You can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, and stuff like that on the left. You can see also your store notifications and your chatbot right here. Now in order to connect, I suggest you strictly go through the app since it's going to be easier to implement. Instead of just adding your Etsy account or something like that, you will have an app that will do that for you. So through here, go to the Shopify App Store. On the Shopify App Store, you can just go ahead and type in Etsy. You'll see Etsy integration, Etsy reviews, and stuff like that. So just click on enter and we will see what's the best result. So you can see here Etsy integration by QuickSync. It's quite a good rating. You can use that. You can also go to Etsy integration DPL, which is built for Shopify. So look for these tags, which will make it easier for you to recognize which apps are really built for Shopify and which are not. So through here, you can go to Etsy integration. You can see there's these two which are offered. You can also go to and scroll down a bit if you find something which is better for you, but I suggest you just click on the first option available. And on there, click on install. You can see a preview of what it's going to look like. From there, once you click on install, you can go back to here and find embedded apps once you go to your online store and check out your themes. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.